Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Darden Restaurants, a leading player in the restaurant industry with a diverse portfolio of brands. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Darden Restaurants reported its fiscal 2025 Q1 earnings, with total sales increasing by 1.0% to $2.8 billion, driven by new restaurant openings but offset by a decrease in same-restaurant sales. The company declared a quarterly dividend of $1.40 per share and reiterated its full-year financial outlook. Despite a challenging quarter, Darden remains confident in its long-term strategy and brand strength.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $2.8 billion, a 1.0% increase from the same period last year, which was $2.73 billion.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP diluted net earnings per share from continuing operations were $1.74, and the non-GAAP adjusted diluted net earnings per share were $1.75. This represents a decrease of 1.7% compared to the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Olive Garden revenue decreased to $1,209 million from $1,227.9 million. Longhorn Steakhouse revenue increased to $730.5 million from $669.8 million. Fine Dining revenue increased to $278.9 million from $273.5 million. Other Business revenue slightly decreased to $555.5 million from $559.4 million.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets $11,355.5 million, total liabilities $9,211.8 million, stockholders' equity $2,143.7 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities, net cash provided was $273.2 million. Investing activities, net cash used was $149.7 million. Financing activities, net cash used was $126.7 million.
Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
The company declared a quarterly cash dividend of $1.40 per share.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The company reiterated its full-year financial outlook and highlighted the acquisition and integration of Ruth's Chris Steakhouse into its fine dining segment.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Cost pressures and cost management activities, economic factors impacting the restaurant industry, labor and insurance costs, food safety and health concerns, technology failures and data protection risks, intense competition, and changing consumer preferences.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company reiterated its full-year financial outlook, culminating in diluted net earnings per share from continuing operations of $9.40 to $9.60.
overall performance, and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Despite missing expectations for the first quarter, Darden Restaurants remains confident in its long-term strategy and brand strength. The company continues to expand its portfolio and maintain a strong financial outlook for the fiscal year.
That's all for today's analysis of Darden Restaurants' fiscal 2025 Q1 earnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Darden is a good investment right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.